Welcome back, everyone. I'm Miss Nene, and today's video I am going to try out these 6 gold metallic paints now on a white background. My previous video I did it on a black background, and I mentioned that I was going to try it again on a white background. The only difference is because since it's a white background, I'm going to add some other metallic colors for added contrast. I'm going to add copper and bronze. So here are the colors. I'm going to use bronze metallic by Arteza. I'm going to use my Aztec gold by Arteza. And my regular gold by Arteza. And the rest is going to be folk art metallics, Inca gold, pure gold, rose gold. I didn't use rose gold in my other one. I didn't know I had rose gold, so I decided to put that in. Antique gold. And the antique copper by Folk Art. And I've already got my canvas prepped. It's 18 by 24, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. That's it. My white background. I'm going to do a Dutch pour, I think. Yeah. So, and I've also got my reused gloves because I can't find any anywhere. They're all off the shelf. They're all sold out. So I'm using them over again. I'm trying to take them off where they don't rip so that I can use them again. Isn't that crazy? So how's everybody doing? Are we out here surviving this pandemic? Out here trying to make it through all this madness out here? It's crazy. Anywho, all right, so I'm going to start off with my antique copper by Folk Art. I want to have some negative space. I love negative space, so I'm going to start off by putting it here. That's such a dark and rich color. I love that. And then the pure gold by Folk Art. The antique gold. No, wait, no, not the antique gold. I think I'm going to put the Inca gold. Yeah. Because the antique gold was really close to this other gold, so. The rose gold. And the Aztec gold. The antique gold. The bronze. gold, the regular gold by Sezzle. Okay, so we want to add a little bit more of the Inca, which is a really bright gold. I love this gold. And some more of the pure gold. Some more of the regular gold. Some of the bronze. Some of the rose gold. I really like this rose gold. Put that in there. And some of the copper. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more gold. Oops. Wow. Really? Why every time? Oh my God. Man, gonna make me lose control up in here. All right. Dropping stuff. Add a little bit of white. That was unnecessary. Whatever. Unexpected things always happen. A lot of little bubbles in here. It's like, really, why aren't you popping? Just want to give me trouble today. There we go. Alrighty. Okay. Wow, that looks really nice. I didn't use any silicone in this either, by the way. I think I really like this, just like this. I feel like I need to, I don't know. Oops. Let me do this again. Okay, I'm thinking that I might have to scrape something. Like maybe this area right here. I hate doing that, but I really needed it to be a little more white. I think I want to put some gold in the middle. And then blow it out. Yeah, like that. Okay. Turn this back around. Center it. Okay, well, I think I'm just gonna leave this the way that it is. I think it looks good. The gold and the copper, the gold and the copper and the bronze colors look good on white. Now, I'm gonna try it again on a smaller black canvas. I think an 8 by 8, because that's all I have enough paint left for. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. That'll be in the next video. Actually, it could be at the end of this one. Haven't decided yet. I'll probably show the results in this same video at the end, along with the close-up for both of them. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video. If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you know when I'm doing other experiments and uploading new things. And yeah, so I'm gonna pop out, prep for part 2, and I'll be right back.